And you're watching Afternoon English News. First, the headlines. Additional DGP I.K. Muiva stresses on the importance of organizing regular interaction programs among various ethnic groups residing in the state. And All India Congress Committee AICC calls on Prime Minister Narendra Modi to convene Parliament special session and adopt resolution over Pahalgam terror attack. And now the news in detail. Additional Director General of Police ADGP Dr. I.K. Muiva has called for regular interaction program among various communities living in the state with the aim to foster harmony and coexistence. Dr. I.K. Muiva was speaking on the sidelines of Career Orientation Cultural Meet and Legal Awareness Program, which was organized by All Colleges Tribal Students Union Imphal at Multipurpose Hall of DM College of Commerce today. Speaking further in the program, which was held on the theme Roots to Wings Embracing Heritage, Aspiring for Excellence, ADGP Muiva stressed on the importance on conciliation through regular dialogues. The ADGP also highlighted the need for conserving the cultural heritage of the state and urged students to play active role in this regard. Director of Tribal Affairs and Hills Government of Manipur, Hana Kamai, Superintendent of Custom, Thilu Lanamai, along with other eminent persons graced the program.
Student community habise matam gi oina interaction tawraga yamna positive oiba mayam thorakpa yaba lei tokhai na leitabida maru oina educational field da khanna tanaba even akhoi gi mamantang graba akhoi gi culture asisu kamaina phajana preserve tawsigi habise asida chhatra singi involvement yam chawi habdi moina youth oibni youth singsina thawa yaudadi culture si mangrani aba culture ko masi maman yam tang mani abse mang khadi revive to yam waga pot ne si su realize to le.
Leader of opposition in Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi and Rajya Sabha's leader of opposition Mallikarjun Kharge have written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi requesting a special session of Parliament in the wake of Pahalgam terror attack in Kashmir. In his letter, Rahul Gandhi said that the opposition believes that a special session of both houses of Parliament should be convened where the representatives of the people can show their unity and determination. He maintained that the terrorist attack in Pahalgam has outraged every Indian. At this crucial time, India must show that we will always stand together against terrorism. On the other hand, Mallikarjun Kharge said the session will be a powerful demonstration of our collective resolve and will to deal with the brutal terror attack in Pahalgam on innocent citizens on 22nd of this month. Kharge further maintained that unity and solidarity is essential at this moment, and opposition believes that it is important to convene a special session of both houses of Parliament at the earliest. Rajya Sabha MP Sanat Leshamba has today formally inaugurated newly constructed Herachandra Boys Hostel of Bal Vidya Mandir School Palace Compound, Imphal. The inaugural function was organized by Vidya Bharati Shiksha Vikas Samiti Manipur at Sudarshan Hall, Bal Vidya Mandir. Speaking at the function, MP Sanat Leshamba highlighted the infrastructural development that has been taking place in the school. Further informing that he passed out from the school as a second batch student, the MP attributed his success to the school authorities. Sanat also emphasized the need for instilling patriotism and sense of belonging among the school students besides focusing on academic works.
School lama hojiki matam dadi phajana changai go matam sida afaba infraction chang afaba akogi matam go sanaba adugumba technology myam aduga afaba gi kari haini equipment myam am sang adu matam thakna akogi mahiro sema dadi maku pham madusu amani but aduga mahiro ma sema matam sang gi skem pham matam da pariba siba sa haidi go nationalism patriotism and sense of belongingness aduga sacrifice to ngamba iriba kidamata ikathopo ngamba iriba kidamata hingba ngamba mado cham aduna aikoidadi madugi poto school sin happy aduna ate school mayam infrastructure phaba school mayam ko ui ubase ka do hai matamda sumna thaki magi mahima sing tamba adom adu phakta da ikoi mai dom san dom tawi aduga mariga no si bhai ko di iyaw yong ko do aduna ni si matik chara aduga mi mayam phola do sum ko da laiba no si boi ko iwa wal kan ko di ikoi laiba sin sungare adu bharat ki oda sungare ikoi kena bangma police school khuding mangna maru ori base mahiboi sing se sema matamda ikoi mariga no si bhai ko se hapa musa.
All India State Government Employees Federation ISJEF has concluded its National Executive Council NEC meeting yesterday. The executive meeting was convened at Udaipur city in Rajasthan with all Rajasthan Government Employees Federation as host from April 27th to 28th. During the meeting, the NEC resolved to take up protest on May 28th for various demands to the authority. The demands included implementation of 8th pay commission across the country, reviewing of 4 labor codes and implementation, restoration of old pension scheme for employees and to sanction the remaining DNS allowance and DNS relief fund. The executive meeting was attended by representatives from across the state including ISJEF's President Subhash Lamba, General Secretary A. Shri Kumar and Manipur Government Services Federation's MGSF Senior Vice President Puruzit Larigambam, Vice President Ishwarjit Sharma, Executive Member N. Sanjeev, Advisor C.H. Dhirendra along with its Secretary Administration K. Hirojit. Speaking to media, Senior Vice President of MGSF Puruzit Larigambam highlighted that the meeting was convened successfully. He added that the attenders resolved to take up a national level protest on May 20th, along with trade unions, banking services, insurance companies and public sector undertakings against the authority to fulfill its demands. Two-day World Dance Day 2025 celebration began today at Manipur University MU's VC Court Hall, Kanchipur. The inaugural function of the event, which is being organized by Department of Dance and Music MU, was graced by Dean of School of Humanities MU, Professor N. Pramodini, former Pradhan Guru of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Maishnam Kamini Kumar, and prominent dance choreographer Thokchom Choktumbi as main dignitaries. Speaking on the sidelines, Head of Department of Music and Dance MU, Dr. M. Thoiba informed that various gurus and resource persons, including from United States and different parts of the country, will discuss about Manipuri classical dance and Indian classical dance during a seminar which will be held on the topic Indian Knowledge System in Dance.
World Dance Day haidana Prithvi mafam punamakta pangthoknari. World Dance Day ga mari leinana seminar amashu sinjari Indian Knowledge System in Dance haina aikona thim thamjaraga seminar asisu sinjabani. Mapung oina aikoigi department ngasi sinjariba World Dance Day asi Manipur gi maming leiraba saknairaba oja sing kaujaraga oja sing na sahi humpu hena thengnaraklaba Manipuri jagoi gi amasung tongan be India gi classical dancing, folk dancing gi maramda wazasing na thengnarakpa kayabu makoi gi uningda haurakpa aningba jagoi asigu chakhat hananabagi lambi da wazasing gi thamoida leiriba uningi wafam kaya aikoina phongdoknabagi damakta aikoigi department sinjabani.
Secretary of New Life Foundation Thamnapokpi Dr. Lamabam Pishak has announced that the foundation has begun Faith Leaders Conference on Child Leaders in Bishnupur district in relation with central government's Child Marriage Free India campaign. Speaking at a press conference held at L. Mani Memorial Hall, Thamnapokpi today, Dr. Lamabam Pishak highlighted that New Life Foundation is among the 250 organizations who are campaigning nationwide for access to justice for children. He added that these NGOs have been conducting Child Marriage Free India campaign across 416 districts nationwide. He also maintained that the foundation has reached around 3 lakh people during their campaign. Further, Dr. Lamabam Pishak asserted that child marriage can be stopped if the religious leaders preach against child marriage in their respective religious houses. Meanwhile, attending the press conference, Chief Legal Aid Defence Council of Imphal West Advocate Pukrambam Premchand asserted that underage marriage can affect the children financially and mentally, and that it can also affect the society.
ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯔꯤꯖꯀꯤ ꯄꯔꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯁꯁꯦ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯖꯤꯌꯁ ꯂꯤꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯊꯤꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯖꯤꯌꯁ ꯂꯤꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯆꯔꯆꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯃꯣꯛꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯇꯦꯝꯄꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯖꯤꯌꯁ ꯕꯣꯗꯤ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯧ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯤꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯆꯥꯏꯜ ꯃꯦꯔꯦꯖ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯀꯦꯝꯄꯦꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯛ ꯁꯟꯅ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯖꯤꯌꯁ ꯂꯤꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯔꯣꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯏꯜ ꯃꯦꯔꯦꯖ ꯊꯤꯡꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯦꯁꯦꯖ ꯄꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯇꯦꯝꯄꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯆꯔꯆꯦꯁꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯗ ꯃꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯏꯜ ꯃꯦꯔꯦꯖꯀꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯟꯊꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯤ.
Integrated Rural Management Association IRMA, along with leaders of different faiths, today initiated a campaign to stop child marriage in Kangpopi district. During the campaign, which is being carried out under Child Marriage Free India, posters and banners which highlighted the prohibition of child marriage and its punishments were displayed at temples and other public places, besides taking pledge against child marriage.
To protect children's rights, leaders from various religious communities have united with Integrated Rural Management Association to launch an awareness campaign against child marriage as the festival of Akshaya Tritiya approaches. This collaborative effort underscores that child marriage is a serious offense, legal consequences for anyone facilitating such unions. Strong support from faith leaders demonstrates a collective commitment to ensuring this Akshaya Tritiya is a free child marriages in Kangpopi. A prominent grassroots organizations leading the Child Marriage Free India campaign in partnership with Just Rights for Children has successfully prevented over 2 lakh child marriages and engaged more than 5 crore individuals in advocating for child rights. The campaign will feature posters and banners in place of worship, clearly stating that child marriages will not be tolerated.
Now, as part of the World Immunization Week, an immunization camp was held at Community Health Center CHC Awang Sekmai from 24th to 30th April 2025. The camp was organized by CHC Awang Sekmai on the theme Immunization for All is Humanly Possible. Around 31 children were vaccinated during the camp. Male Health Supervisor of CHC Awang Sekmai Irom Sharachandra expressed gratitude to all people who made the health camp possible. Women of Khurkhul Mandop Yumpham Relief Camp took out a sit-in today protesting against the arrest of Ningthongjam Gyan, a resident of the same relief camp, by Assam police under Pulibor police station on the morning of April 27th. While refuting to the allegation that Ningthongjam Gyan is a member of KCP-MC, women asserted that he was a village volunteer and has no relation with KCP-MC as claimed by police. He had gone to Guwahati to get no objection certificate on April 18th. Further, women folk demanded release of Ningthongjam Gyan without any conditions. Proscribed Revolutionary People's Front RPF and its unit PLA has condoled the demise of 2nd Lieutenant Oinam Telheba alias Landaba, aged 36, of proscribed KYKL's unit Miyamgi Yao Lanmi, and Lance Corporal Ahanthem Visan alias Kanglei, aged 29, of proscribed KCP's unit Miyamgi Pingang Lanmi. In a press release, RPF highlighted that both of them sacrificed their lives for the motherland during a gunfight with Indian Army and its proxy forces on April 25th around 10 p.m. The outfit also extended condolences to the bereaved family, relatives and friends, and also paid tribute to the deceased. Meanwhile, proscribed Pre-Pak Progressive also condoled the demise of 2nd Lieutenant Oinam Telheba alias Landaba and Lance Corporal Ahanthem Vishan alias Kanglei. In a press release, Pre-Pak Progressive asserted that their sacrifice will forever be engraved in the history of revolution. They also extended condolences to the bereaved family, friends of the deceased. Koireng-led UNLF and its unit MPA also condoled the demise of proscribed KYKL's unit Miyamgi Yao Lanmi member late 2nd Lieutenant Oinam Telheba alias Landaba, aged 36, and proscribed KCP's unit Miyamgi Pingang Lanmi member late Lance Corporal Ahanthem Bishan alias Kanglei, aged 29, from Khurai Thuidizum Lekai. Both of them passed away during an exchange of fire between Indian Army and its proxy forces on April 25th. In a press release, Koireng-led UNLF said that both of them fought for the motherland till their last breath. They asserted that their sacrifices will always be engraved in the minds of people of the state. Kwereng-led UNLF and its unit MPA also extended condolences to the bereaved family, peers and relatives of the deceased. A one-day social service camp was conducted today at Minuthong and North AOC area in an effort to keep the area neat and clean. The camp was jointly conducted by All Manipur United Club Organization Amuko, Ima Minu Lairembi Sengut Sagat Palup, I beg your pardon, Imphal West OC, City Police and Traffic Police OC, Imphal West Commando OC, Police Personnel Station at Kikrupat, MSF and Thamiban United Clubs. Addressing the camp, General Secretary of Amuko Pratap Leshangthem highlighted that the social service camp was conducted to keep the areas which is inhabited by various communities neat and clean. He maintained that these areas were associated with drug problems during various times. Pratap Leshangthem further appealed to the people residing in the area to provide support to the initiatives taken up by various groups in an effort to keep the area clean.
Community Punamak Kundaba, Lamama Udiba, Draki, the Samisha Mayoknava, other Hadibi areas that we Sangaleva, Haiti, Punuina, Pakana, Mamanga Gitar, Panatamina, Arakomayamina, Ketulta Wunina, Maduki responsibilities, who was Amanapur, so Amananga Kadra, Adumbagi, conflict Mayama Leva, Mapam Obenina. Asigumba mafam sida ekoi any matang dasu look mayamama yausalakanda atopa masida zat bizat khaidana yausalakanda ekoi gi BOC gi ekoi gi phazarba saktam je mayam gi city mayonda yamna motna leiriba mafam je amtang nana bo honabada mating pangbiu.
Fourth Sinayog Meritorious Award has been conferred to Albert Paunam, son of Paunam Robert and K. Dhanamanjuri of Kashamthong Top Lerak, and Chinglem B. Sorokhaibam, daughter of Sorokhaibam Bodin and Kangabam Ibem Sana of Singzamay Chingamakha Furamakong. Notably, Albert secured 4th position in Commerce Stream in the recently declared Class 12 examination conducted by Kohosem, while Chinglem B stood 13th position. The award, which was endorsed under the aegis of Republican Party of India Athawale and National Secretary Maheshwar Thonauzam, were handed over to 2 Class 12 rank holders at their residences. 19-year-old Starlight Wahengbam, daughter of Wahengbam Ibo Choba Singh and Hijam Pravinbala of Sagulban Wahengbam Lekai, will represent India at the Miss Fitness Supermodel World 2025. The prestigious pageant will be held in Vietnam from June 6th this year. On the other hand, 20-year-old Naurem Kalo Singh, son of Naurem Basudeva Singh and Naurem Romila Devi of Kakching Phoksupat Lekai, will represent India at Mr. Fitness Supermodel World 2025, also taking place in Vietnam. Both prestigious events bring together outstanding individuals from around the world, celebrating fitness, beauty and global camaraderie. The event will take place from June 6th to 16th this year. And in today's weather report, according to ICAR Regional Center Lamphel, state's maximum temperature was recorded at 23.6 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 15.5 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 85% in the morning and 69% in the evening. Manipur received 3.7 millimeters of rainfall in the past 24 hours. And before we end, here are the headlines once again. Additional DGP I.K. Muiva stresses on the importance of organizing regular interaction programs among various ethnic groups residing in the state. And All India Congress Committee calls on Prime Minister to convene Parliament special session to adopt resolution over Pahalgam terror attack. And for more news updates, stay tuned to SKTV. Thank you.